Can you do a video on when it's a good time to change banks? Yes, I can, and I'm going to look at it from two perspectives. So number one, when you haven't bought a house yet, and number two, when you have a mortgage and you're thinking of shopping around. So if you haven't bought a house yet, it's kind of important that you and your partner are both at different banks as opposed to being at the same bank, especially when you have less than 20% deposit, because the rules always change around where you can get pre-approvals from. And some of those rules might just say like you can only get a pre-approval from the bank that you currently bank with. And if you both bank with the same bank and that bank is closed, then you can't get a pre-approval. So having separate banks means that you have two options, which is good because banks are different. And if you already have a mortgage, when is a good time to switch banks? Well, ultimately, you probably don't need to switch banks. If your mortgage advisors put you with the bank that is best for you and your mortgage, then that should be the best option. But sometimes people get annoyed by their banks and want to move, or sometimes people prefer to just switch banks because they want the cash back every 3 years. And if you've got $1 million mortgage, that could be $9,000 every time you switch, minus the lawyer fee, so about $7,500, $8,000. But realistically, if you're happy with the bank that you're with and it is best suited for you because, for example, they have offset accounts or they give you a discount because you are a teacher or you work with them or you just like their app or they give you nice allowances for paying off your mortgage faster during fixed terms, then you are pretty good just to stay with the same bank for 30 years if you really want to. You don't have to move banks.